Now come over here and pull it from this side very gently. Oh dear. No, wait. Now you put it up top. Yeah, you have to. That's not how you play. That's not how you play. You want to put it back? Try it. Oh no! It's over. We're going to have to try again. Can you help me stack them? Yeah. No? Come on, Minnie Mouse. Help me stack them. Okay. Yep. Minnie Mouse, do it.
Mama.
Whoops.